Sometimes the Earth opens up in the most bizarre ways. Here are the top 5 strangest sinkholes ever discovered. At number 5, the Guatemala City sinkhole, a perfect, terrifying circle that swallowed a 3-story building overnight. Number 4, the Qattara Depression in Egypt, a natural sinkhole so massive it could hide an entire city. Number 3, the Heavenly Pit in China, a giant sinkhole so deep it has its own ecosystem at the bottom. Number 2, the Dead Sea sinkholes, hundreds of sudden craters opening near one of the saltiest places on Earth. And number 1, the mysterious blue hole in Belize, a perfectly round underwater sinkhole that's as deadly as it is beautiful. Which of these sinkholes would you dare to explore? Comment below and do not forget to like, subscribe, and fall into more fascinating facts with us.